Ever wondered how to travel for free? It's not a fantasy, but a reality for many savvy travelers. Welcome to the world of travel hacking. This intriguing realm revolves around smart strategies and clever tricks that enable people to explore the world without denting their wallets. Today we're going to pull back the curtain and reveal the top 3 travel hacking tips that can transform your wanderlust dreams into reality. So buckle up and get ready to discover the secret strategies of travel hackers. The first key to unlocking free travel is through credit card points. Now, how does one go about acquiring these magical points? Well, it's simpler than you might think. It all starts with earning points through credit card sign-up bonuses and everyday spending. Yes, you heard right, everyday spending. Think of it this way, every time you swipe your card, you're a step closer to your dream destination. But remember, not all cards are created equal. The trick is to choose the right card that aligns with your travel goals. Some cards offer more points for certain categories like dining or travel, while others offer a flat rate for all purchases. But here's a word of caution. Always pay off your balance in full each month to avoid debt. Remember, the goal here is to travel more, not to dig a financial hole. With a strategic approach to credit card points, the world becomes your oyster. The second travel hacking tip is to master the art of earning and using airline miles. Much like the points you earn from your credit cards, airline miles are a type of rewards currency that you can accumulate in a variety of ways. You can earn miles simply by flying with a particular airline or by using a co-branded airline credit card for everyday purchases. Some airlines also run special promotions that allow you to earn extra miles. Once you've amassed a decent stockpile, you can redeem these miles for free flights, cabin upgrades, and more. It's all about being strategic and making the most of the opportunities available to you. Airline miles can turn that dream vacation into a reality. The third and final travel hacking tip is to maximize hotel points. These points can be earned in a myriad of ways. Regular stays rack up points, of course, but so does spending on affiliated credit cards. Let's not forget special promotions, which can provide a significant boost. Now the real fun starts when you redeem those points. Free nights, room upgrades, your hotel stay becomes an experience, not just accommodation. Hotel points can transform a simple stay into a luxury experience. Travel hacking is a game. Play it right and the rewards are immense. Remember, credit card points, airline miles, and hotel points can unlock doors to free travels. It's time to start your travel hacking journey. So pack your bags because your dream vacation is just a few hacks away.